Today we will be exploring one of Northwest Ontario's abandoned paper mills. Abandoned since late 2006, this paper mill closed down due to unfavorable economic conditions such as the rising price of fiber, energy, and the strengthening of the Canadian dollar. Sounds like there's a lot of glass on the floor here. Nobody checked this room?
No.
Well, this door is jammed. There's a compressed can of oxygen in here.
Yeah, that's what they have in the other room there. Anything else cool in there? No.
Nothing other than an explosive bottle of oxygen.
Team picture.
Oh, flashlights, man, they left like everything in here.
Oh, there's a 2011 calendar.
Oh yeah. Huh.
So somebody's been in the last 10 years.
Settlement statements and invoices, May 2002. Hey, isn't there supposed to be something haunting about broken mirrors?
No, but that's not part of what might be the place where it ain't the toilet. It's not.
Yeah, instead it's just a fuckload of business records.
Not sure what I'm doing.
There's an old hard drive on the floor over there.
What are those things that are or something? Something like that.
It looks like there was a fire or something back here. Could try upstairs. Upstairs is probably in considerably better shape.
I've watched the floor though.
Upon going upstairs to check, most of the upstairs area was trashed, so instead we headed down to the basement level. That's crazy, man. They just dumped all these computers and just left them to rot. Like back when this place was newer, man, it's probably worth quite a bit of money, all these computers. Air emissions monitoring, EMS, air data, spill plan, discharges. Where's the room that there was supposedly a bunch of chemicals?
Back here in the furnace.
Where, here?
No, the other way.
Other way.
Right back in the room where
Oh.
the door's open.
The one with the big door that says attention, something about being dangerous? Yeah, that'll do it. What?
What?
Hold on, what is that powder?
Holy crap.
Somebody's been mixing up in here. Sodium bicarbonate. Chris, don't scare me like that, buddy.
Holy shit.
I thought you just disappeared through the floor there for a second. Due to the amount of open and spilled bottles and jars of chemicals, we decided to move on from the laboratory and explore the rest of the basement level.
Apartment, it's got fucking nothing in it.
Oh, they want the name?
These are the pissers, so I'm not going in there.
Oh, really? Not that easy.
Financial year end.
Oh, they're talking about the fuck.
Nothing left of this room.
Dangerous Singer, I look in there and there's an open container with an epoxy witness label.
Yeah.
Like, you probably stay away from that.
Did you remove your lockout? Maybe. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't.
No, that thing's unplugged.
What's it to you? There's nothing back here, eh? Doesn't look like it. Ammonium sulfate. What's this one? Acetic acid. And barium hydroxide, which is all over the table. After finding more spilled chemicals in different rooms, we decided it would be in our best interest to come back next time with more proper safety gear.